Hey, what's going on, my friends? In this video, we are going to dive into how to deduct meals and entertainment in 2021 and 2022. Yes, I'm talking to those of you out there who are self-employed or you have your own business. You can write off a ton of different expenses that you may not have known about, or maybe you did, but because of recent changes, you're not too sure what is what. As we dive into the article, you can see writing off meals and entertainment for your small business can be pretty confusing. Some things are 100% deductible and some are only 50%, and a few are non-deductible. It all depends on the purpose of the meal or event and who benefits from it. From a company-wide Bear Friday to a fancy steak dinner with your biggest client, we'll walk you through the different meal deductions your business can take advantage of so you can save big on your tax return. So, my friends, this is ideal for anyone out there who wants to keep more of your money. This is a great way to help you with saving and holding on to more of that hard-earned cash that you would have to give to Uncle Sam otherwise. So you definitely want to make sure you stick around for this video. And if you haven't yet liked this video, it does help me. It shows me you guys appreciate the time and energy I put into doing the research and finding this content, making these videos, but also it lets me know you guys want more of these money saving, money making, money management videos. So really quickly also, subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that notification bell because then you can stay up to date on all of our latest and upcoming videos, which include other ways for you to keep and save, manage your money. So 2021 Meals and Entertainment Deduction. As part of the Consolidated Appropriations Act signed into law on December 27, 2020, the deductibility of meals is changing. Food and beverages will be 100% deductible if purchased from a restaurant in 2021 and 2022. And here are some examples. So, type of expenses, meaning entertaining clients, concert tickets, golf games, things like that. Zero deduction. You cannot deduct any of those expenses. But if you have business meals with clients, it says 50% deductible. Office snacks and meals, 50% deductible. Company-wide party, 100% deductible. And meals and entertainment included in compensation, 100% deductible. Fully deductible meals and entertainment. Here are some common examples of 100% deductible meals and entertainment expenses. A company-wide holiday party. Food and drinks provided free of charge for the public. Food included as taxable compensation to employees and included on the W-2. 50% deductible expenses. Here are some of the most common 50% deductible expenses for 2021 and 2022. Well, they are 100% deductible if purchased from a restaurant. So a meal with a client where work is discussed that is not lavish. Employee meals at a conference above and beyond the ticket price. Employee meals while traveling. Treating a few employees to a meal, but if it isn't at least half of all employees, it's 100% deductible. Food for a board meeting and dinner provided for employees working late. Entertainment tax deduction. If you were deducting meals and entertainment in previous years, you might have noticed the deduction amounts have changed. The 2018 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act brought a few big changes to meals and entertainment deductions. The biggest one is entertainment expenses are no longer deductible, but some things haven't changed. So this is just kind of giving you a look at how things have changed from 2017 to our current time. And you can just see some things have changed, some things haven't. But ultimately, you no longer have entertainment clients as a business expense. So I think the biggest thing that I really want to draw your attention to is, you can see right here, the 50% deductible expenses. So a meal with a client where work is discussed. employee meals at a conference above and beyond the ticket price, employee meals while traveling, treating a few employees to a meal, but if it's at least half of all employees, then it's 100% deductible. Food for a board meeting, dinner provided for employees working late, but most importantly up here at the top, they are 100% deductible if purchased from a restaurant. So there are a number of different ways in here that you can write off your meals and entertainment deductions that will help you with keeping more of your hard-earned money, right? It's all about managing your money in a way that will allow you to, hit a few birds with one stone. If you know you're going to have you're going to have a meeting with a client, well, why not have it be a business meal with the client? Because you're going to have to go out and eat dinner anyway. And you have to have that meeting with your client anyway. Why not combine the two? And then you can write off some of that. Well, or if you, again, as we just saw a second ago, 100% deductible if purchased from a restaurant. So you can write off 100% of it instead of only 50%. So my friends, I hope you guys were listening. I hope you guys were taking some notes. I hope that you guys put this into practice. I hope you guys actually apply it to your business kind of strategy, because that's really the best way to approach this. If you know there's going to be an annual meeting, a company meeting, and you want to speak with your team, well, do it over a meal in which that meal can be deductible. And specifically, if you order from a restaurant, as we just saw, then you can write 100% of that off. And you can see it down here. It says it specifically, treating a few employees to a meal is 50%, or 100% if it's all at a restaurant. But it also says, but if it's at least half of all employees, it's 100% deductible. So it's little things like this, I think oftentimes we as independent contractors, as sole proprietors, kind of miss out on. We don't realize that we are a business. And if I have a meeting with a client, I have multiple businesses, but I have one LLC, my consulting business, where I provide sales and marketing services to consulting services, as well as kind of self-employed coaching services. And that business is completely different than my Adam Helper business, where with this particular business, I don't really meet with clients, and I wouldn't have any client meals, things like that. However, I can see there being situations where I'll be meeting with employees or other contractors and having business-based meetings. So this business is not an LLC, but I can occasionally have some meal expenses that I can write off and deduct towards my taxes. Because, hey, these are the rules of the game, and this is what it's all about. I said it in a previous video, but some people were so mad with Trump when his tax information came out and people found out he only paid $750. Well, don't be mad at Trump for playing the game, right? Don't be mad at the player. You got to learn the rules so then you can play the game and, have as much of a chance, be as competitive as someone who knows all the rules, right? Someone who appears to be kind of cheating the system. He's not. He's playing the game. And that's what it really is all about. And that's why I'm making this content for you guys, so that you have a little bit of a better understanding of how you can, play the game and position your company and your business and have meetings and whatnot. Knowing all of this information should help you plan better and, be a little more strategic when it comes time to these business investments, but also keeping more of your money when it's tax time, which is coming up very soon. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, definitely give it a nice thumbs up. I do appreciate you guys watching. By liking the video, it helps me know and understand that you guys want more of this type of content, and that you also appreciate the time and energy I put into making it. After that, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, because then you can stay up to date on all of our latest and upcoming videos on other ways to help you with making, managing, and growing your money. Because we're all in this journey towards financial freedom, but only some of us are willing to invest the time and energy to actually strategize, to actually plan, and to implement that plan. And to those of you out there who are willing to do so, I want to keep speaking with you. I want to keep sharing content for you. So definitely subscribe. I don't ask you guys enough, but I do appreciate you guys for watching. And lastly, I don't ask enough also, but comment down below with your thoughts about this news, this information, and how you will be applying it to your business. But all right, my friends, much appreciation for watching. But you already know I got to keep it moving. But I'll see you in the next video. Peace.